Did you know that a corset once delayed a royal assassination? In 1898, Empress Elizabeth of Austria was obsessed with her 16-inch waist. She spent 4 hours every day exercising and barely ate anything to keep her tiny figure. Everyone called her Sisi, and she was famous across Europe for her beauty. But this obsession would play a deadly role in her final moments. While walking in Geneva, an Italian anarchist named Luigi Lucchini stabbed her with a needle file. Here's the crazy part. Her corset was laced so tight that it acted like a bandage. The wound didn't bleed right away. Sisi had no idea she was dying. She calmly walked to her boat, even thanking people who helped her up. But after walking 100 yards, she suddenly collapsed. Only then did her corset loosen enough for the bleeding to start. The very thing she used to make herself beautiful had given her just enough time to realize she was mortally wounded. Her death shocked all of Europe and marked the beginning of the end for the Habsburg dynasty.